Hi guys. So I'm going to Best Buy because my TV last night, as me and my husband were playing video games, out of nowhere the TV just shut off on us. Just like that. Just poof off. So we called tech support. They can't do nothing. The warranty expired already. And yeah, we've only had this TV for 2 years. So now we're gonna go to Best Buy and see if they can fix it. So wish me luck because I can't get a new TV at the moment. That's my TV right there. So yeah, TCL Roku TV. I hope I don't have to get a new TV because that is depressing. I've only had this TV for 2 years. So yeah, wish me luck. So I just realized I have a habit of keeping this hand up every time I record something. Why do I do that? I have no clue. So yeah. Oh, and so I was playing Call of Duty Cold War, and I was wondering, do you guys play? Any of you that watch my videos? Let me know down in the comments. I want to know if you like the new map of Warzone, if you like zombies. So let me know, as my son ¿Qué tú haces? Yeah, you're taking off the car seat cover.
My mom would always do
Who else
this.
takes your husband's change?
My mom would always do that. That's why I gotta have to put her change here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I
Or she
don't.
would put it inside the.
I would put it here. When I was driving, I'll put it right here.
Yeah, but we had ours like up here. Yeah. Oh, it's right here. Oh no, it's like a little compartment.
Yeah, my mom has it on this side. Right here.
Don't we have it on this side?
No.
No. I guess your car's not up to date.
How rude. My car is good enough. I love my car.
Thank you. Me too.
I had a
Do
question.
the thing with the sticks.
Oh, if you guys have any questions for me, put it down below in the comments.
Why the car squeaks.
Oh my goodness, my car is yelling at me, and this lighting is horrendous. Oh my god. Oh, my poor son. Cover your face.
The sun
I
here.
feel bad, yeah. Oh no.
You go. You go. You go. He said go twice. You go. Go. You go. 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 Go.
Hey guys, update on my TV. So the guy was able to fix it. We had to take it somewhere else because Best Buy wasn't able to help because we didn't buy it at Best Buy and it didn't have warranty. So there was nothing they could do. So yeah, we took it to this guy. He was very sweet and he actually helped us out. He fixed it. It was a panel or something that one little thing was like blew out. So he fixed it and he was so sweet. He actually didn't charge us like a bunch of money. Like, you know, some places will charge you like $300 or $200 for one little tiny thing, you know. So yeah, he fixed it, and yeah, I got my TV back for only like $100, I think it was, and I'm so happy I got my TV back. Oh, and I also took down my Christmas decorations because they were kind of overdue. So yeah, just that. So yeah, it snowed a lot last night. Supposedly we were supposed to get like 13 inches of snow. And I'm over here sitting on my couch like, where are the inches at? It looks like it is a storm outside though. Like, it's very windy. I haven't been outside. I don't want to. Don't mind my hair. I woke up like this. What is my son doing? What happened, baby? What happened? ¿Qué pasó? ¿No beso? ¿No beso?
Hi.
No. What are you doing? Da beso. Say bye.
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 Bye.